You get your hot price?
Yeah, I got my hot price. We're going to Italy.
That's where our honeymoon is supposed to be. We couldn't go because COVID. Now,
It's going to be a blast. We're going the wrong way. But you knew where you was going.
I just graduated fellowship. She just finished her first year of fellowship. 40-40.
Atlanta.
It's about 6 p.m. We're about to board our flight. It's 9 hours long. Okay, we just got our luggage. It took 2 hours to get our luggage.
I thought it was going to be lost.
Oh, wow. Look at these Audis.
Goodness. It took so long.
All right.
Golf may not have worked.
Slam. Oh, show. And then I come back, there's no bag.
Oh, you said we can go.
Yo, yo. Yeah, I brought the baby. The baby's brought out. We got the ladies crammed up in the back here.
Ah!
Thank you.
And
Oh, wow. Tacky right now.
a little bit jittery, borderline jittery.
We were out here in Louisiana.
Where the hell you start?
Way too close. Strategic switch right here. Dude, do you see these switchbacks in here? Look up.
Like an elevation. Wow.
This is summertime. We are going to Stubele. Lindor. First pizza in Italy. And a little 442 action. It's early. We out here. We're committed. We're committed to sunset.
Which way do we go? This way?
Make a left.
I feel like there are no one-ways.
You can make it your own.
It's your way.
Do it your way.
Sun's gonna rise soon. 5:11. Journey is panning out. We made it.
I'll just
Ready for it. Hiking through the Dolo. Got a little altitude sickness.
doing okay.
Chef cooked. He's gonna come out and tell us thank you. He said like that. Finally. Oh, Dan, you got it on?
Yeah, I didn't hit the button right there.
Ew.
Bolzano.
Should we get in this one?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
That's okay, come on. Yo, we made it.
That was stressful.
We made it. Where's Cedar? Oh, she has all the tickets.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh 8 miles later, we have this. And here we have the freaking ridge. We're almost there. Paranoia.
That's you.
Alright, let's hit up.
Wow.
Let me know if you see some trinkets.
Mercy of that guy's four-wheeler.
Doing the most. Yeah, that's true.
Alright, so we've successfully come to the Lago de Bryce. This guy got a nice little nap and
I did.
It's so cute.
It looks like a bear. Hello.
Yeah.
What does Aurora mean?
Allora.
like oy vey, like oh
I thought it
my.
was just like okay.
Yeah, like oh my or okay.
Allora.
Giuseppe and Patricio.
Doing so much wobbling here, you guys.
It's easy to judge on that. I feel like I need a bandana.
Struggling. Like, what's they doing out there?
We out here, Lago de Bry 2023. Climate change is real. Look at all this stuff out here, man.
Like you were making fun of me. So then look, I had to do this motion now. I have to do like a hyperextension of my legs from here.
You're doing such a good job.
No, the turns are. Oh sh. No. I keep a wristband on.
Keep yeah.
See, our boat is backwards. No, dude. In the distance.
Yeah, no, this is awesome.
Oh, be careful, bro.
Is it going to straight to the hotel?
Well, we are in the Camina. In the second hotel. And this place is beautiful. We got one balcony over here. Master, very large. What's up, Shred?
Our own flower box.
We had the best of the best.
Yo, kids, man. What's up, man? What's up, man? It's so beautiful.
We in Cortina de Ampeso.
This looks like
Oh, wow.
Wait, what was it called?
Let's go get some sneakers.
You want to?
Man.
Allora.
Hello.
Funny seeing you here, buddy.
They cheat me.
Wait.
Oh.
Here, pre.
Yo, there's a lago down there.
Delicious. Because look at our views.
We are at the Pralice hike. I mean, this is just And we're on day 4.
Right there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So tell me what's going on, man. Where we at right
We
now?
out here, man. The sea levels is rising. Global warming is real, but we out here in the Dolomites, so we safe from all that. But the sun is out. It's looking great. I'm feeling great. We had a cafecito. Girls are up there chilling. It's pretty good out here. Catch me in the next lap.
I don't know if this is safe. I'm following a kid I've followed my whole life to see if it's worth it or not, or if this is the end of it all. I don't know about this. It says stop here. It says stop. It's going. Ooh. 13. We're 8,000 feet up. So the oxygen's getting a little low. She's doing really well back there.
Yeah, we saw Trey Chimie from the other side too.
Coffee in here.
We're gonna be good in like 10 minutes.
We're toast.
Oh, we just walked up.
I was so out of breath. By the time I got up there, I literally didn't even think about taking a picture.
Yeah. I wish you got that quick climb we just did. Just as proof.
Yeah.
I got pics.
Okay, good.
Hell.
Very nice.
Cortina, it's been beautiful. It's been amazing. We've enjoyed your company and your views.
We still live here.
Oh,
Bye, guys.
no!
I'm gonna get in the shade.
We got our stuff in there.